Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're gonna talk about an error that I recently encountered myself on my main PC. So in this video I'm gonna show you how I managed to fix that issue, and later on I'm gonna show you another method that can help you fix the issue that I've searched and found out online. So the error is whenever you're booting up your operating system, the start menu, the search box, and all the Windows 10 apps are not working. When you're trying to open one, you get an error saying explorer.exe class not registered or class is not registered, and of course, if you see this error, you don't know what to do because you cannot open any Windows 10 apps. But first of all, let me show you how I fixed that. First, what I've done, I went to the taskbar, right click on the taskbar, task manager, and then went down a bit and searched for Windows Explorer. Should be somewhere around here. Click on it and then click down here on restart. This is a thing that can temporarily fix your issue because this issue, as I've seen on my main PC, came up after a Windows update. So the sad thing about Windows updates is that they sometimes come with some bugs and some issues like that, but good thing that Microsoft fixes them really quickly with new updates. So after you restarted Windows Explorer, check and see if the explorer.exe is working, the start menu and stuff like that. Check for everything, and if everything works, you are good to go. But if everything works, what you should do next is go to the start menu and then click on settings, then go to update and security, and then go to Windows Update and install all the updates that are available to date. As I've said, new Windows 10 updates can bring up a lot of issues, but the Microsoft developers fix them really quickly and bring up patches and quick updates to fix those issues. And if you're up to date, you should be good to go. You should not have this problem anymore. Now, for the remainder of the video, I want to talk about a worse version of the error. Let's call it like that. You get that error, explorer.exe class is not registered, but also a black screen, and explorer.exe is not working at all. You don't see the taskbar, you don't see anything on your operating system. So in this case, how can we fix the issue, or how can we try to fix the issue? Things are a bit more complicated, but I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. First of all, press Ctrl Shift and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager, or Ctrl Alt Delete on your keyboard to open this menu and then Task Manager. It is the same, so choose the version that is the best for you. Now here in the Task Manager, go to Services. From the Services tab that we're in here on Task Manager, go down here to open services. So this will open services, the official services in Windows 10. Now what you have to do is to click on this blue question mark, help, click on it, and this MMC will appear, which is the Microsoft Management Console. So this is where you need to be. Then go and click on Options, and then go and click on Internet Options. Now in this new window that appears, Internet Options, click on this question mark next to the Exit button and then click on it, and Internet Explorer will be opened up. Now we're gonna have to launch the command prompt, so we're gonna open up the Task Manager yet again, and then go down a bit to any service, any Windows 10 service, let's say this one, right click on it and then click on Open File Location. Windows Explorer should open up. Go to this PC and then search here command prompt. So a lot of command prompts will pop up here. Right click on any command prompt and then click on Run as Administrator and click on Yes on User Account Control. We're going to have to open the control panel, the old control panel. So for that, we're going to type in here Start Control and then press Enter. Now from here, we're going to have to go to Programs, and then you're going to have here Turn Windows Features on or off. Click on it. If you see that you have your old Internet Explorer 11 checked, uncheck it and then click on Yes. So now you can click on OK, and you'll see that Windows Features will apply the changes and will require a restart. Click on Restart now, and Windows will restart and will give you a few updates and a few other things. But after the restart, after a short black screen, Windows Explorer should open up correctly and the problem should be gone. You should not get that error. The class is not registered with explorer.exe, and this is how you can fix this issue. Of course, there are simpler ways to solving it. As I've said in the second part of the video, I talked about a worse version of this error. But if Windows 10 allows you and you're getting that error, as I've had it myself with only the Windows 10 apps, you can simply just go into the control panel and do the steps that I showed you after that. But I'm hoping that this video was useful and you managed to fix the issue, because it is a pretty annoying issue. Even me, I thought that I need to reinstall my PC after I saw that error, but it is good that I managed to fix it, and hopefully by making this video I can help you as well to fix this issue. I was Emmanuel from the Tech Base channel. If this video was useful, don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Until next time, have a nice day.